Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we did a video yesterday, window shopping at Christmas in the plazas in Alpha Tree. So this is a continuation. First of all, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to like the video, comment and share. So we're on the Premier Plaza. That's where we're starting out today. And we're going to check out some of the plazas we didn't check out yesterday. So over there is the Central Plaza. I have a driving video of that plaza, so I'll put it in the comment section for you guys. Alright, so we'll take some glimpses of the Springs Plaza that's over there, and then we move down the line. So for yesterday we were on this side of the road, so today we're going on the other side over there. So let's go take a glimpse of the Springs Plaza, Constant Spring Road, and again these video series is around shopping at Christmas time in Alpha Tree. So that's really what I'm highlighting, the commercial activities and just some of the Christmas decor. So the famous Maxi department store. And again, the Springs Plaza. Alright guys, this is where we'll end the video. Twin Gates Plaza. So this is where we'll end the video. Alright guys, so another walk-in video at Christmas in Alpha Tree along Constant Spring Road. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments. Alright guys, I did some previous videos as well on other plazas in Alpha Tree Boulevard, so you can also check those out on the channel. So it's Christmas shopping, walking plaza tour, and I'll see you guys on another exclusive video.